We're back on Fox Business Morning, and one of the last safety nets that you have may be in jeopardy, some say. We're talking about your pension, and with his take on whether or not your pension is protected, Doug Flynn Zito, Capital Management, is with us this morning. It's interesting, Doug, the pensions are supposedly guaranteed. Well, most of them are, right? The Pension Benefit Guaranty Corporation.
That's right.
But they made some changes in the way they allocate their own investments in the spring of last year. In retrospect, maybe not the best moves. What did they do?
Yeah, for a while during the run of like 2002 to 2007, they had sat at about 15 to 25% stocks, mostly bonds.
When stocks were going up.
That's right. And then in the spring of 08, as you said, they notched up to over 45% stocks.
So they went into stocks basically when the market was close to, this is not funny, but when the market was close to topping out, they were going more into stocks. Now we've obviously had this big decline in the market when they were, so they've lost a lot of money. No doubt. This organization that needs to guarantee a lot of pensions.
That's right.
What's the implication?
Well, and they also added real estate, which they hadn't had before, too.
Another good move. So real estate's down, who knows, from that point. So now what does that mean for people whose pensions are guaranteed by them?
Well, first of all, people should know that we're not talking about 401k plans. We're talking about your pension, the old style pension.
Yeah.
And they should go to pbgc.gov to find out more information about whether they're covered. They can get their summary plan description from their employer to find out if they are covered. The implication, though, is that if they're making bad investments, and this is what happens when the government comes in, they're going to go do things by committee. By the time they get it through to make a decision, it's going to be way too late. The implication is that if they continue to make bad investments, we're all going to end up paying for that, too.
We're on the hook for it, in other words. So these pensions are going to get paid most likely no matter what.
Right, because you have to give people a safety net.
Yeah.
And, you know, a lot of these pensions are mostly funded, or some of them are fully funded. They just turn over to the PBGC. But some of them just go bankrupt and then they'll continue to get paid.
Yeah, well, say a General Motors, for example, hypothetically, I mean, it's not that much of a hypothetical. We've been talking so much about bankruptcy. There's tons of pension liabilities there.
That's right.
As more of these bankruptcies come up, this organization, again, the Pension Benefit Guaranty Corporation, is on the hook for those pensions.
That's right.
So what are you saying? Taxes might have to go up to pay for these if these guys don't invest their money well?
Yeah, I don't know how many people they have from Wall Street running their equity allocation over there, and they're making these decisions to make adjustments. We don't know what the most recent information is. It's not like the information is readily available. We could just only recently find this out, that they made a bad call by getting more aggressive at the worst time. One can only assume they might have gotten much more conservative at the worst possible time, too. So, you know, we just don't know. But in the end, if the money isn't there, they're either going to print it or they're going to have to raise our taxes. But those people who are covered, if you are covered, you don't have to worry about getting the money. But where the money's coming from is like anything else. Where are we getting all this money?
Right. So those people may not have to worry about, but the rest of us do. All right, Doug, thanks a lot. Let's get back over to Ashley now in London.